Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking how to build a community-focused membership website in 2023. It's a great subject. It's an important subject. I've got some great insights. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back. So we're going to be discussing how do you build a community website on WordPress in 2023. And I've got some knowledge to share. Hopefully you're going to get some insights here. If you do, subscribe to the channel, give me some feedback, leave a message, tell me where I went wrong. Any kind of feedback is most welcome. So let's go straight into it. So, obviously you need good content, good training materials, but one of the best ways of getting continuous retention and not having a large dropout rate on your course is to really build community, have a really active forum, workshops, breakout groups. It's a great way of building community and extra value. Also having linking it to group sessions which you can lead, or some sub trainers can lead, or to one-to-one coaching. These are all features that can increase the value and the retention rate of your membership. It is one of the key factors that will enable you to build a really effective business online and an effective community. Now, WordPress has got some great solutions in this area, because some of the other players, some of the SaaS players, have some major drawbacks when it comes to their solutions. There's more, but based on our experience, there's two main players that can offer community building functionality. One is Lifter LMS. It has an add-on plugin to its main core, which gives you community building functionality. Now, if you host at WP-Tonic, you get that add-on as part of the Infinity Bundle, which costs over $1,000 from Lifter LMS, but you get it part of the hosting with WP-Tonic, and you get this particular add-on. It's a great way to start if you're also building a course. But the main player in this particular area is BuddyBoss. Now, BuddyBoss is built around the notion of building community for forums, through breakout groups. It has, if you look at a demo, it has a very much a kind of Facebook group feel to it. They also can provide an app. We provide the website application side of it as part of our hosting. We do not provide the app. The app, you've got to get it from BuddyBoss, but compared to some of the SaaS competitors, the app solution with the app, which runs on Google Android or Apple OS, is a great combination at a great value price. Attracts a lot of people that are looking to build a community, that already have a community through the BuddyBoss web solution, and they just want to upgrade it to having their membership on a native app solution as well. Some of the other things that we've found, you need with BuddyBoss, you need to have finite control which membership levels it works with. BuddyBoss works really well with Lifter LMS. Lifter offers great value. It also works with LearnDash. One of the reasons why people go with LearnDash, when they're looking at BuddyBoss is that at the present moment, if you're looking at the app, it only really works with LearnDash. I wouldn't, it's a difficult one. I wouldn't excuse Lifter from it, because most people having a web-based solution with BuddyBoss with Lifter is perfectly fine for almost 80 to 90% of people that are going down this route, in my opinion. But if you really want to go down the route of having an app, you do need to understand that, and you really best to go with LearnDash. We offer both at WP-Tonic. Another thing is you need finite control. The best way to get this with BuddyBoss, with whatever learning management system you're going to utilize, is to use it with WP Fusion. WP Fusion puts your the areas of BuddyBoss that you're going to have in different membership offerings, gives you a much more finite control, because it gives you a very powerful tagging system. Now you can give each membership levels, you can build quite elaborate passes, which sections of the BuddyBoss website can be chosen by using WP Fusion. We also offer that as part of our package for that reason. Another great part of it is that we offer with BunnyNet, with one of the other plugin solutions that we provide, you can actually import videos into the media library and have certain videos be linked to certain membership through tagging of WP-Tonic, WP Fusion. It's a really powerful and effective setup. Got a great article, it's in the description of the video, that goes into a lot more detail about this. Also, go to the WP-Tonic website. We've got a ton of information on the website that will help you delve into this. Look at BuddyBoss, look at LearnDash, look at Lifter LMS. You won't be disappointed. I'll be back soon with some more information to help you build a great membership, learning management and community website on WordPress. I'll be back for our next video pretty soon. See you soon, folks. Bye.